Alright guys, welcome back. Today when I went to Walmart again, I got the megawrex that I needed. I don't have it in my collection, which is nice, so I'm glad I bought it. Megawrex Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, guys, and Monster Trucks Live. It says 8 of 8. Very nice. Here's the back, of course. Name: Megawrex Truck Type Creature, Strength, Tyranno Teeth, Crash Attack, Dino Bite. Of course, this case is finally complete for me, guys. Further ado, let's open it. Alright. This is my favorite casting. Put the light on it. Here it is, guys. Sorry, it's rolling away. Here it is. Purple beadlocks, teal rims, the dark teal roll cage, and then the Megawrex body. With the red right there. The tail. I love how the tail's casted now. That's really cool because the rubber would always pop off, but I'm glad it's actually part of the body now. There's the teeth in the front. And the claw in the back. Chrome chassis. Hot Wheels on the tires. Back of the truck. I love the rainbow color. So I guess that's all I got today. So this case is complete. On to the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, share your guys, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.